Привіт, друзі! Вітаю на каналі VERBA. Today we will talk about Ukrainian conjunctions і, а, але, and we will compare them in the sentences. Recently we have actually talked about conjunction і and its variations й and та. If you have missed this lesson, you can still watch it. In this lesson, we will compare it to other conjunctions. Before we go on, please subscribe and press the thumb up button to support my channel. And let's read the first example. Я добре читаю й говорю українською. What the conjunction й, which is equal to і and та, means here. Я добре читаю й говорю українською. Here you see the translation of Unit 1. And basically we understand here conjunction й like combines or connects two similar by meaning words. Читаю й говорю. Here there are two verbs. So basically conjunctions і or й or та will be used to combine some similar clauses of the sentence. Let's take a look at conjunction а. Я говорю українською, а не російською. What about conjunction а in this sentence? What role does it play? Я говорю українською, а не російською. Here we like opposite towards Ukrainian language and Russian language. I speak Ukrainian, but not Russian. So we use conjunction a very often to express a full contrast or opposite or sometimes comparison of some clauses. While the conjunction але will be close to conjunction a, but still a little bit different. Let's try to feel this difference. Я добре розумію українську, але поки погано говорю. Я добре розумію українську, але поки погано говорю. Here we also have like a contrast or opposite, but here it is just partial. So we speak about Ukrainian language and our skills in Ukrainian language. We understand Ukrainian well, but we do not speak it well yet. So Ukrainian language is a common part for both parts of the sentence, but still we compare two different skills. That is why here we use conjunction але. So once again, these conjunctions we use to connect two similar parts. This conjunction a, to show full contrast, full opposite of something, or sometimes to compare something. And але when we have a partial contrast or opposite. Let's see more examples. Це мої мама і тато. Here we combine two similar clauses. Мама і тато. Я маю кота і собаку. Я люблю борщ і сирники. Here we connect them. Conjunction а. Це мама, а це тато. Here we have comparison or opposite clauses. Yeah, this is mom and this is dad. Це мама, а це тато. Я маю кота, а не собаку. Here we have opposite clauses. I have a cat, but not a dog. Я маю кота, а не собаку. Я люблю борщ, а сирники не люблю. Here we also like making the opposite. I like this object, but I don't like this object. Examples for але. Я вже дзвонила мамі, але ще не дзвонила татові. Here we speak about calling to our parents, but I have called to one parent and didn't call to another one. So here we have like partial opposing. That is why we use conjunction але. Я маю кота, але ще хочу собаку. So like I have a cat, but also I want a dog. And the last one. Я люблю борщ і сирники, але не вмію їх готувати. So here in both parts of the sentence we speak about борщ and сирники, but we say that I like them, but I cannot cook them. So here we use conjunction але. Sometimes in some sentences we may replace conjunction a with але and vice versa. So sometimes these borders, they are not so strict. And in general, all these conjunctions, all three of them, sometimes will have more additional roles in the sentence, meanings. Actually, there are a lot of them. It's very funny that in our language, the shorter the word is, the more different meanings and usages it has. But these ones are the most frequent that you need to know now. Let's take a look at this picture. The man says, "Дякую, але я замовляв пиво, а не вино." What does it mean? Дякую, але я замовляв пиво, а не вино. So the waiter brought him wine, and he says, "Thank you, but I was ordering beer, but not wine." So here we use conjunction a to underline, to highlight that pivo is not wine, yeah? So it's strict, full opposite drinks, not the same. Let's see some more sentences. Я вивчаю хімію, а не фізику. So we compare two sciences. Хімію, а не фізику. Я хочу купити будинок, а не квартиру. Ми кажемо не готель, а готель українською. So also here we have either comparison or full contrast, full opposite. Some more examples. Вчителі працюють у школах, а викладачі в університетах. Which two clauses we compare here? Which two words we compare? Вчителі and викладачі. So it's like teachers works in school, teachers work in schools, and lecturers in universities. So we compare like two words, teachers and lecturers or professors. Вчителі працюють у школах, а викладачі в університетах. Продукти можна купити в магазині, а ліки в аптеці. So, here we compare products and medicines, where you may buy each one of them. Продукти можна купити в магазині, а ліки в аптеці. And the last one. Сьогодні я маю 2 уроки, а завтра 1. So here we compare what? We compare today, сьогодні, and завтра, tomorrow. Great. Now let's take a look at conjunction але. Я хочу будинок і авто, але не хочу працювати. So here we are speaking about what? About our wishes, about what we want. So he says, I want a house and a car, but I don't want to work. So it's like opposite, but just partial, yeah? Let's see more examples. Я добре готую, але зазвичай я не маю на це часу. Я вмію танцювати танго, але не люблю. And я вчила це слово, але вже забула його. Here we have this like partial contrast everywhere in every sentence. Let's practice a little bit. I want you to stop this video. Here you can see the sentences where these conjunctions are missed, and here you have a list of conjunctions and the number, how many conjunctions like these are used in this exercise. For example, 1 conjunction e, 3 conjunctions a, 2 ale, etc. So I want you to write down somewhere on the paper your answers, and in a few seconds we will check it out. Ready? Let's go. Я не їм авокадо й оливки. So I don't eat both of them. Я замовляла не піцу, а пасту. Contrast, full contrast. Not this, but this. Я знаю англійську і іспанську та вчу українську. So I know English and Spanish, and also like I learn Ukrainian. Here we use actually ta as and because it's the second and in the sentence. Normally second and will be conjunction ta. The next one. Я добре розумію польську, але погано говорю. So here partial contrast. The next one. Я вмію малювати, але не маю часу на це. Guys, I'm sorry, here should be letter U. Часу. It's just a typo. Я не маю часу. Genitive case here. The next one. Він не лікар, а вчитель. Full contrast. Це її мама, а не бабуся. Don't confuse, please. This is her mom, but not grandmom. So here, full contrast. Not mom, but not grandmom. And the last one. Я хочу замовити бургер і картоплю фрі. Here we have like combination. I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, you can let me know in comments. And also, I wanted to give one more situation. I told you that conjunctions may have many different meanings, and sometimes we use them even in collocations. And very popular collocation will be «а ще». Let's try to guess what it means from this sentence. Я ходжу на йогу, граю в теніс, а ще іноді танцюю танго. How do you understand this sentence? How would you translate this «а ще»? Я ходжу на йогу, граю в теніс, а ще іноді танцюю танго. It would be like and also, right? I do this, and also I do this. Here, a will not show us contrast or opposite or comparison. It will play the role of conjunction and to combine this sentence, but it makes it more diverse. So in collocation with the word ще, а ще. You may try to write your own examples in comments to make sure that these conjunctions and their usage will stuck in your head. It will be very good to practice. Use this opportunity while you have fun. Thank you for watching. I hope you will press вподобайку, which means like or thumb up. And also I wanted to thank all these wonderful people from this list, people who support me on Patreon and also on YouTube, because I have opened YouTube sponsorship or YouTube membership, whatever. All the links are in the video. You can, if you want to support VERBA project, you can do it via the links in video description, right on YouTube or via Patreon or PayPal or whatever. So thank you guys for your support. It really helps me to keep going with these videos, with this channel. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you soon in the next videos. На все добре! Побачимося на каналі VERBA.